Hello everybody and welcome back to Bust Knuckles Fishing. Now that I completed the installation of this 40-inch Aurora curved light bar on the roof of our 2021 Gamefish 27 boat, I just wanted to do a quick video, show you a few little minor details in case you're looking to do the same installation on a boat that has a curved roof like this particular boat does. When I purchased this light, I didn't even think about making sure that the factory mount was going to be high enough. So it wasn't, so I had to order these mounts from Amazon. I think they were like $12, and that gave the light just enough clearance. It's got about 1/4 inch clearance in the middle now, so it has what I feel is enough to give the light enough room to vibrate around and not be banging into the roof. So once I got the light securely mounted, I went ahead and moved on to the electrical side of things, and I started with this Sea Choice watertight cable outlet. It has an O-ring. I went ahead and just put a little 3M silicone on the base before I screwed it down, and I did check it with a magnet, and it is 100% stainless like advertised. I think it was like $15 for this particular brand watertight outlet. So once I got that mounted, I went ahead and moved on to the electrical side of things, and this is the factory switch that the boat came with. It's a Carling Technologies particular switch. It's just a 2-position switch to activate the front spreader light. So what I wanted to do was replace that switch with a switch just like this that would go back in the factory location but operate the light bar along with the spreader light. So I found this switch, which is a 7-pin on switch. So I went ahead and purchased it, and it ended up snapping right into the factory location, into the factory switch panel. I purchased this little plastic tool for like $7 as well, and it enables you to unsnap the rocker switch cover per se, and enables you to basically take that cover and put it back onto your new switch so it looks factory. I'll walk around here and show you how well it turned out, how clean it looks. So, and you have the switch in the neutral position, in the middle position now. It does nothing. So when you turn it, push it down, it turns your front spreader light on. So that's your front factory light. You walk back around here. I'll turn everything off again, show you how dark it is. Now, once you turn this light on, you flip it up, and that's your light bar. It's 34,000 lumens of light, and this thing, if you look at it directly, it'll blind you. I mean, it's pretty impressive on how bright this light truly is for $430 delivered to your door, compared to some of the other lights on the market that are $1,500, $1,600. So this particular light is manufactured by Aurora, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, and really satisfied so far with how well everything looks. I did a video on the unboxing, and I was very impressed with how everything was sent directly from Aurora. So I used a few screws here that I machined down to through bolt it to the top, and so far I'm really pleased, and I'm gonna get out on the water and do a few follow-up videos, let you guys know once I get a few hours on it, and let you know how well it's held up. So please hit that subscribe button. I have some more informative videos coming up on some really cool things that I've been able to do to this boat, and maybe save you guys some headaches. So please stay tuned, and everybody be safe out on the water. Take care.